In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Facebook emails from Gmail effectively and efficiently. We all know how email inboxes can quickly become cluttered with notifications and updates. By following these straightforward steps, you'll learn how to clear out those unnecessary Facebook emails, helping keep your inbox tidy and organized. First, let's start by opening your Gmail account. Once you're in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. This handy tool is going to help us filter out the emails we're looking to delete. In that search bar, you'll want to type in "from Facebook" and then hit Enter. What this does is it pulls up all the emails in your inbox that originate from Facebook. It's a quick and precise way to gather a list of all those emails, so you don't have to sift through your entire inbox manually. Once you have that list in front of you, direct your attention to the small checkbox located at the upper left corner of your inbox. By clicking this checkbox, you select all the messages that are currently visible on the page. This is a great time saver, but it only selects the emails you can see right now. However, you might have noticed a small message that appears right above these selected emails. It will say something like, "All conversations on this page are selected. Select all conversations that match this search." Click on the link in that message. By doing so, you'll select every single email from Facebook in your entire inbox, not just the ones that were visible when you initially performed the search. This ensures that you're able to clear everything at once without missing any emails hiding on other pages. Next, locate the trash can icon, which typically sits near the top of your inbox options. Clicking this icon will send all those selected Facebook emails to the trash. At this point, a pop-up will likely appear on your screen. It's a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete these emails. To proceed, simply click OK. This step is crucial as it ensures you really mean to permanently remove these messages from your inbox. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully filtered out and deleted all emails from Facebook in your Gmail account. This process not only saves time, but also helps free up space, making your inbox more manageable and easier to navigate. Remember, maintaining a clean inbox improves productivity and reduces distraction. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.